Skull protects the brain. Palitan mo yung tubig niya riyan, hindi mo yung ilagay mo na yung nandun sa ano.
Kakalagay lang yung kapon.
Dagdagan mo. The skull protects the brain. This one protects the brain, yung skull. Hanggang yan lang Yan. Na, dito, yan dot yan. Yan. This one. Shoulders, join the arms to the body. The shoulders. Ito, shoulders. Join the arms. Ito. This one. Oo. Yan. Tapos, the hair covers the head. The head is the topmost part of the body. It's correct na. This one naman, you copy the clean child. No. You must read the answer here. You choose the answer. A clean child is a healthy child. Your hands as well. You should brush your teeth. You should brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. You should brush your...
Clay, you listen to Lola Pat. Hey, antok pa. 8:30 ka natulog kagabi. Kagabi nanood kami ng How to Train Your Dragon, June 29. Ngayon is June 30. Monday, 6:35. Habang hintay namin si Aryan mag-ayos, konting review muna sa books ni Clay. Ikaw to lalapat na.
You should brush
Yung lapit ka sa kanya.
your teeth. You add our here, can you copy this? Kulang na lang ang
Ikaw Clay kasi ikaw nag-aaral eh.
You should brush
Lola Pat is helping
your
lang.
teeth. You add R here, your Y-O-U-R. Kulang pa ng R. Ilapit. Should be there, near the U.
I'm getting bored.
Why? Here. R. Near here.
Dikit mo sabi mo dikit niya.
Idikit mo. That's all.
Idikit mo sa
You copy this your.
sa U.
Kulang na lang R. Then teeth. Here, teeth. Yan teeth. You copy teeth. Tapos, meron pa. Marami pa.
I'll be like this.
You should wash your hands.
I'll be like this.
You should wash.
Paano? Sakristan. You need to be a sakristan.
I don't want to be Christian.
Sakristan.
I'm Skinner.
Skinner.
Yeah. Oh, I did actually to be Christian.
Naka ano ka na eh. Sige na, lalagyan kita ng konti. Alika. Hindi, konti lang. Para may konting mental ka. May stiff neck si ate. Masakit yung leg. Bilang ko siya ng salompas maya.
1, 2.
Kasi babay na.